So ladies and gentlemen, we have been working on Ehsan's 3 Series today, and my 3 Series has been madness in our garage. But we want to show you real quickly what he's done. So, these are his new wow, you literally can't see the headlights on the camera. Let me try it this way.
You know why? What I keep telling you?
Woo! That's his new headlights. That's his old ones here. That is a big difference. So that's a side light, just making the actual light there. Over here you got these lovely angel eyes now.
What's a bad boy for?
Go on, turn the lights off over there.
Yeah,
Turn the light off. Ooh. Go on, turn the light off. Let's go have a look, see.
a lot brighter than the thingy.
Think he's happy?
No. Hard.
Certified.
Hard. So guys, if you're still recording.
This is what my E30 looks like right now as well. More videos coming on this soon. But yeah, happy with the purchase?
Basically, taking headlights off this car is a piss take.
Yeah.
Like, so Keith Motorsport, once again, you're a dickhead. And I'll say that myself because this guy just goes broop broop and the screw comes out. Everyone else online says there's a pin.
You know, should we kind of, let's see, turn the lights off for now. Yo, I'm actually getting blinded. So, oh snap.
Yeah.
So you see these bolts here, that one there, right? I'm showing you this one because we haven't touched this one just yet. So that one, and then over this side is the bit where we're taking it off. So you got two bolts, one here,
Really?
and one there. Well, here? Is it here? Yeah, I think it's here and here.
Really?
I don't know, you put them somewhere. We've thrown them away already because you hate them that much. Right, so these are the bolts that you have to take off. Now this has like a metal clip that goes over it. Now that metal clip tends to be weak and it allows this nut to move around, which means it becomes really hard to undo this because the Loctite on this is allowing it to just all move like that when it's not supposed to. Really annoying, really hard to take off, but you managed to get it. There you go, here's one there. So it's just this bit here. This is the one that we kind of beaten up a lot. So the nut goes inside there to hold in place basically like this, but this bit is too weak and it just keeps moving around. So we end up having to move it as much as we can out the way and just hold this ourselves manually.
What everyone else online recommends as well is basically breaking this off. Because you don't need this. This is just to stop. I think it's just to stop people from stealing the headlights.
No. I think, you see this bit here, that's where the nut's supposed to sit in, and this bit's supposed to hold it in nice and tight. But for some reason, as you're trying to undo it, it's just probably old and weak and it just becomes floppy and this bit just becomes weak and it doesn't hold the nut in place. So it's supposed to hold it in like that. Really good thing about this one is it has these bits on like this. It's built in. So you don't have to worry about those annoying BMW metal clips anymore. Do we?
No, we don't.
We don't. Lovely, jovely. So he's now going to continue doing the other side. I'm going to continue working on my E30. And we'll see you guys at the end of the video where we'll have the car finished. So real quickly, this is how bright it is. Let me zoom out. That's how bright it is. Just from the angel eyes. Turn your lights on, please. Lovely. Obviously it's angled right now because of where our driveway is, but it goes a nice like long distance. You know what? Oh, look how beautiful that is. What? What do you mean? Oh my god, now wait, what? Okay. So that's side light, the angel eyes. That's the headlight. What's full beam? Oh my gosh. Yo. I was there talking about the angel eyes. Like, wow, look at how bright it is. Oh, that's sick. Go on, flash the head main beam. Oh. Ooh. Go on. Yo. That looks pretty good, and it sounds pretty decent too. Dang, like that. You right, mate? Do you want some? You know? Yep. So that's how bright the headlights are. Oh damn it! I should have brought my turn the brightness down. Flash for me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's nice. So this is just with the angel eyes on. I've turned the brightness down so it looks a bit more realistic and the phone's not changing the settings and whatnot on how bright it is. And then headlight. Wow, that line. That looks good. And then full beam. That's a very nice upgrade. So everyone, I just finished off editing the video for the F30 headlights. Forgot to do an ending for it. So yeah, there you go. That's what the headlights look like at the end. Honestly, I think for his car, it was slightly expensive of an upgrade, but a brilliant one, well worth it. You know, he really enjoys actually driving the car at night now. He just loves having that line that goes across as well. It's definitely something, if you do want the angel eyes for your F33 series, it's just something to look into. I'm going to put a link down below for ones that are quite similar to his. Some of the times they're only left-hand drive that are available. Right-hand drive ones are quite rare. He was searching for a long time to find them, so unless I can find them for you, so I can't help out with that. But yeah, I hope you are all keeping safe during the lockdown and everything. It's a crazy time for everyone. But it's giving me a lot of time to work on my E30, so there is more content coming out with that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I want to put that details down here. Follow Hassan to see his car and how it looks on Instagram here, and or pick it up from there. So for now, I will see you all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, look out for the rest of the content. See you guys later. Peace.